What's up guys, welcome back. Today's recipe is multi-purpose recipe. You can use as a meal prep, you can use as a lunch and dinner or as a side appetizer guys. Or with the rice or the vegetables. So first I'm taking the bite-sized salmon, then I'm going to prepare the marination for the salmon. First I'm putting the lemon juice, squeezing the fresh lemon juice is more better. Then we are adding the soy sauce, sugar and sesame oil, then little bit neutral oil. Everything give a nice mix, then marinate until the sauce incorporate well. Then put little bit salt and pepper. You can add little bit salt more if you need it. Mix everything, combine well, put on top of the salmon until your salmon is marinated properly with the all seasoning. Then put it on a baking tray, then goes in the oven. Make sure you preheat the oven and keep the salmon skin side on the bottom, so you will get the even and crispier salmon skin and even the nice delicious taste every time. So salmon we are putting in the oven. That oven is preheated 180 degree for that 10 to 12 minutes. It's more than enough. Look at this guys, after the oven is done, salmon is cooked, crispy, delicious. Just serve as a side dish or in a poke bowl, serve as a appetizer as you want guys. Try this salmon. If you like some lemon or chili, you can add it on. Thank you for watching guys. This is Chef Suraj. Tell me what recipe I will cook next. Like and share. See you in the next recipe guys. Thank you.